Hello everyone, Nyawanskano. I hope everyone has been able to enjoy the warm summer weather. I wanted to update you on some recent developments. Late last week we were made aware of 5 confirmed COVID-19 cases within our Seneca community. All 5 cases were from the same family in Cattaraugus. One of the individuals appeared at our Nation Court in Cattaraugus last week and interacted with various Nation employees throughout the day. This individual did not exhibit any symptoms while at the Nation's facility and was screened before entering the building. A few days later, we were informed that that individual had tested positive for COVID-19. As a precaution, we closed the Nation's courts and clerks' offices on both territories for deep cleaning last week, Thursday. In addition, the Nation employees who interacted with this individual last week were instructed to seek medical advice from their primary care provider and to follow any and all directions they receive. They will not be allowed to return to work until they are medically cleared. The courts and the clerk's office on both territories resumed operation this morning. Another of the positive individuals is related to an employee of our agricultural department in Cattaraugus. Following Nation protocol, the employee along with co-workers who worked in close proximity were sent home. They have been directed to seek medical advice from their primary care provider and to follow any instructions they receive from health officials. As per Nation protocol, these employees will also not be allowed to return to work until they are medically cleared. While we are well into the 5th month of this pandemic, these incidents are stark reminders that the crisis is not over. I am reminding everyone to take every precaution and responsibility to keep yourself, your family, and your Seneca community safe. Please continue to practice social distancing, wear a mask, and understand how one action could impact our entire community. Along with the COVID pandemic, our community continues to deal with the ongoing fight against illegal drug activity on our territories. Over the last several weeks, many of our community members have taken a vocal and active role in bringing attention to certain individuals and activities. In addition, I signed executive orders banishing 3 non-Seneca individuals from all Seneca territories, and the Nation has created a partnership with Crime Stoppers Western New York to aid in this all-important effort. Like our ability to address and respond to the COVID pandemic on our territories, our fight against illegal drugs and the predators who seek to poison our community needs to be a daily commitment. That is why I'm happy to announce that a task force has been created to help lead this fight. The task force will be made of members from Seneca Mothers Against Drugs and the Nation Council and executives. They will be meeting regularly starting this week and will take an active role in this battle. It is a battle we cannot afford to lose. A strong, healthy community is made up of healthy people, and we know how challenging this year has been in nearly every aspect, particularly from a health perspective, both physical and emotional. I am happy to announce that last week, the Council authorized a one-time health incentive benefit for all Nation members to assist our people in maintaining a healthy lifestyle during the COVID pandemic. This benefit is being funded with the balance of the Incentive Surplus Fund. This fund was previously used for the Health Care Incentive Program to promote and maintain a healthy lifestyle for Seneca members. As part of the Nation's responsibility to provide for the health, safety, and general welfare of our people, it was determined that this one-time health benefit would fit within the purposes for which the fund was established. As general welfare benefits, the one-time health incentives are not subject to taxation. All members who were registered and eligible for Nation annuity payments by July 31st, 2020 will be receiving your one-time health incentive benefit within a week. Disbursements will be made in the same manner in which you currently receive your Nation annuity, either electronically or by mail. I hope our members will take advantage of this one-time benefit to engage or re-engage in healthy lifestyle habits for you and your family as summer nears its end and the fall and winter months approach. Finally, with September about to begin, I want to wish all of our Seneca students a safe, healthy, and happy start to a new school year, whether in a classroom or learning remotely. I wish you, your classmates, your teachers, and your families great success. Remember to stay safe, stay connected, and let's continue to look out for one another. Yahweh.